Welcome to the Deep Dive. I'm Lex.
And I'm Vera from the C9 podcast show team.
We're really excited to be here today, cutting through the hype to bring some actionable insights.
Especially for you, our C9 followers, and all the Australian business owners and C-level execs tuning in.
Absolutely. What's really striking right now is just the sheer scale of opportunity out there for businesses.
It really is. And today we're diving deep into some comprehensive sources that really highlight the power of AI integration.
Specifically tailored for the Australian market, right?
Exactly. And we'll also look at how one company, one with really deep local roots, is making this tech accessible.
Okay, so our mission today is pretty straightforward. We want to pull out the most important nuggets of knowledge.
The real takeaways.
Yeah, about how artificial intelligence is moving from just being a buzzword to actually creating bottom-line impact.
So you'll leave this deep dive with, hopefully, a much clearer grasp of why AI is such a game changer.
And how it's being rolled out successfully right here in Australia.
So the big question for Australian businesses is, how do you genuinely level up in today's market?
It's fierce out there.
It is. And our sources point very clearly to custom AI integration as, well, the catalyst.
Okay, let's start there then. What are the core benefits the sources highlight?
Right. Well, the sources consistently frame AI as this game-changing force. It unlocks really unprecedented opportunities for Australian businesses to innovate, optimize, excel, basically.
Let's break that down. What are the specific advantages?
Okay, first up, there's seamless AI integration for enhanced decision-making.
Okay.
Imagine your business, doesn't matter the size, suddenly able to analyze just vast amounts of information in real time. Sales data, market shifts, everything.
So AI sifts through all that noise?
Precisely, and provides incredibly precise, actionable insights. Think of a national retailer using AI to spot micro-trends in different states.
So they can tweak inventory, marketing, that kind of thing.
Exactly, with real accuracy. This kind of foresight lets you spot trends early, predict market changes, make informed choices. Choices that genuinely drive growth.
Which raises a key question, I think. How quickly can businesses actually act on those insights?
That's a crucial point, absolutely. Data is only powerful if you can respond effectively.
Right.
And building on that, we see huge gains from intelligent process automation for productivity.
Okay, so this isn't just about big strategy. It's about the day-to-day.
Yes, exactly. It's about offloading those, mundane, repetitive tasks that eat up valuable human hours.
Like what, for example?
Well, think of a logistics firm, maybe in Sydney. Instead of manually mapping delivery routes or handling basic customer queries over and over,
AI takes over.
AI can handle those complex rule-based tasks with, honestly, incredible accuracy and speed. So automated customer service chatbots, maybe trained on specific Australian phrases.
Okay. That local nuance.
Yeah, or smart inventory systems that predict demand for, say, seasonal produce much better than before. This frees up your teams.
So they can focus on higher value stuff. Strategic thinking, complex problems.
Precisely. And that directly boosts the bottom line.
Makes sense. What about customer-facing benefits?
Right. AI really revolutionizes customer engagement through personalized customer experiences.
Which is so important in a market as diverse as Australia's.
Totally. Delivering unique, relevant experiences is key. AI-driven personalization lets you genuinely delight customers, build real loyalty.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Picture a streaming service. It doesn't just recommend based on watch history, but maybe on subtle interaction cues, too.
Creating experiences that feel really intuitive.
Exactly. It comes live with sophisticated recommendation engines, smart chatbots, making every interaction feel valued and, well, personal.
And for staying ahead, predictive power.
Yes.
Yeah.
Advanced predictive analytics for market insights. This is where AI truly shines in looking ahead.
Using machine learning, right. Algorithms that learn from data.
That's it. AI analyzes historical data to forecast future trends, predicting shifts in Australian consumer behavior, maybe anticipating supply chain issues affecting regional areas.
Spotting market dynamics specific to Australia.
Exactly. It gives businesses that foresight. So you can proactively tackle challenges, grab opportunities, stay competitive, not just react.
And finally, there's a critical one, security.
Absolutely. Enhanced cybersecurity for data protection. Protecting sensitive info is just non-negotiable today.
So how does AI help there?
AI strengthens security massively. It uses machine learning algorithms that constantly monitor your networks.
Looking for threats.
Looking for threats, detecting potential breaches in real time, often spotting malicious patterns that older systems might miss entirely. It's like a robust digital shield for your business data.
Okay, so it's really clear this isn't just about tinkering around the edges, it's a holistic transformation.
It really is. Across decision-making, customer interaction, security.
What stands out is how AI turns this overwhelming data into clear, actionable intelligence. It seems to map a direct path to growth and efficiency.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it's not just what AI can do, it's who implements it, and critically, how.
Ah, okay.
Our sources repeatedly point to C9's specific advantage for Australian AI integration. They emphasize an approach that's deeply localized and really results-focused.
That makes sense. C9 isn't new to this, right? They've been around.
Over 18 years.
Wow. And completed, what, 350 plus projects?
Yep, and they work with over 100 technologies. It's a serious track record.
But the sources stress their Australian customization and local expert team. Why are those elements so crucial here?
That's a vital distinction, definitely. The Australian market, it's unique. Regulations, regional needs, consumer habits.
It needs more than a generic solution.
Exactly. So C9's Australian customization means they don't just tweak a global template. They build tailored AI integration strategies from the ground up for Australian enterprises. It's not one size fits all.
And the local team.
That's key too. Their local expert team isn't some remote call center. It's an Australian-based team. Highly skilled AI specialists who understand the local market deeply.
On the ground knowledge.
Yes. They speak language, get the challenges, they're physically here. That means seamless communication, rapid responses.
What else is part of their advantage?
Well, they offer end-to-end services across Australia. Comprehensive support, right from the initial consultation through to ongoing maintenance.
Full journey support.
Right. And there's a strong focus on Australian user experience, designing solutions that are intuitive and effective specifically for users here, making sure the tech actually fits into daily workflows.
That's important for adoption.
Crucial. Then there's ongoing Australian support and maintenance, reliable, responsive services tailored for Aussie AI integrations, and, maybe most importantly,
Proven result.
proven Australian results. They have a demonstrable history of successful AI projects for diverse Australian clients. It's not just talk, it's backed by real outcome.
And underlying all that.
An Australian customer-first mindset. They genuinely prioritize understanding and meeting the specific AI needs of Australian businesses, making sure every solution delivers real, measurable value.
So what we're really seeing is tech that's not just advanced, but deeply informed by the local market.
Precisely. That customer-first focus, the local expertise, the track record, it really sets them apart from generic solutions. It delivers something genuinely impactful for Australian businesses.
Okay, so we've covered the why AI and the who with C9's localized approach. Let's talk about the how.
Right, the practical implementation.
Our sources detail C9's 10-step process for AI integration. It sounds incredibly methodical.
It is, and this methodical approach answers that critical question. How do you make sure an AI solution actually aligns with strategy and delivers results, not just becomes another complex IT project?
So how does it start?
It starts with discovery and goal setting. And this isn't just a quick chat. It's a deep dive into your business objectives, finding the specific challenges, and setting clear, achievable AI goals together, goals that will have a measurable impact.
Okay, step one, know where you're going.
Exactly. Then comes data assessment and collection. AI needs good data, right? So this step is about rigorously identifying, gathering, assessing the quantity of data needed. Often involves setting up robust data pipelines too.
Getting the fuel for the engine.
Perfectly put.
Mm-hmm.
Next is AI strategy formulation. Based on the goals and the data, they craft the specific AI approach. Is it machine learning? Is it natural language processing, maybe for understanding customer queries? That decision happens here.
Tailoring the tech.
Then model selection and development. Choosing, training, fine-tuning the right AI models. Could be leveraging existing models, using open source tech, or even building custom proprietary models for unique needs.
Okay, so you've got the strategy, the model, then integration.
Yes, the critical phase, integration and implementation. Seamlessly embedding the AI into your existing systems. Often using secure APIs, those digital connectors, making sure data flows smoothly, whether your systems are on-premise or in the cloud.
And testing must be huge.
Absolutely. Testing and validation. Rigorous testing, not just a quick check. Making sure it works as intended, hits performance benchmarks, and crucially, doesn't disrupt anything else.
What about the people using it?
Good point. User training support is next, empowering your staff to actually use the new AI systems effectively, and providing ongoing support,
And launch.
sort of, deployment and pilot testing, an initial real-world test in a controlled way. Gather feedback, make final tweaks.
It doesn't stop at launch, though, does it?
Not at all. C9 emphasizes ongoing monitoring and adaptation. After full deployment, they continuously watch performance, gather user feedback, refine the models, keep the AI effective and relevant.
It evolves.
It has to. And finally, scalability and future development. Planning for the solution to grow with your business, and proactively looking for the next areas where AI can give you an edge. It's a true long-term partnership.
Wow. That comprehensive roadmap, from goal setting right through to ongoing monitoring and scalability, that really seems like what ensures an AI investment actually pays off, rather than just being another complicated project.
Exactly. It de-risks it significantly and focuses on sustained value.
Now, while AI integration is clearly a core focus, our sources suggest C9's capabilities are actually much broader.
That's right. And what's fascinating is how these broader capabilities position them as really a comprehensive technology partner for Australian businesses, not just an AI specialist.
Yeah, it's clear they're full-spectrum developers. The sources mention things like web application and software development, mobile apps, integration and automation, even business intelligence and
A
reporting.
huge range.
It suggests they can tackle pretty much any digital challenge a business might have, right?
Absolutely. And if you connect that to the bigger strategic picture for businesses, it means you can potentially rely on one trusted partner for a whole spectrum of needs.
From custom software to managing databases or cloud infrastructure.
Exactly. They're proficient across, as we said, over 100 technologies. Things like .NET, React Native for apps, AWS, Azure for cloud, SQL Server for databases.
Plus integrations with key systems like Xero or Shopify.
Yes, those critical business integrations too. This breadth shows a really deep ability to modernize and optimize pretty much any digital infrastructure. It's a holistic offering, not just piecemeal services.
Okay, so let's pull this all together. What does this really mean for you, the Australian business owner, or the C-level executive listening?
Well, we've unpacked how AI is genuinely a vital force now, for efficiency, for growth, for customer satisfaction.
And crucially, how companies like C9 are meticulously tailoring these powerful solutions specifically for the Australian market.
Ensuring proven results, end-to-end support, turning that huge potential AI into a tangible, competitive advantage for businesses here.
Which leads us to a final thought, perhaps a question for you to reflect on.
Given how fast AI is evolving and the competitive pressures, where do you see your business finding its next big opportunity for AI adoption, leveraging these kinds of integrated, tailored approaches?
Something to definitely mull over. And if you are ready to explore how custom software, cutting-edge apps, seamless integration, and robust database development, all powered by AI, can transform your Australian enterprise.
Then we really encourage you to connect with C9.
They are Australia's leading custom software, apps, integration, and database developer company. You can find out more by visiting them at www.c9.com.au.
Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive today.
It's been great exploring this.
Don't forget to click that follow button so you stay informed with our latest insights.
And please do share this deep dive with anyone in your network you think could benefit from this knowledge.
We'll catch you on the next one.